Penny. Hi. Say hi. This is for Sandy and her family, who we bought Penny from. Well, actually, we traded her for one of our puppies. Say hi, Penny. Hey, Penny. Hey. Yeah. Say hello. Yeah. Mr. Buddy Kaya over there. Yeah, let's go say hi to Kaya. He likes to wrestle and play. Come here, guys. Come here, Penny. Go, girl. Come here. Yeah, say hi. We love her. We're so thankful for her. Say hi. That's Kaya. She's a Rottweiler mix. They're buddies. And this is Penny, the little Airedale puppy. She's about 4 months old. Say hi. We love her. So thank you for her. Just a little update on her. She's very happy. Very smart. Aren't ya? Aren't you, Penny? Aren't ya? Say yes, I am. I'm very smart. Come on. Play nice. Come on. Be nice. Good girl.